So, hello mga baby. So, it all comes to this time na you've done your part. So, you've done your part in preparing yourself for your board examination. Ayan na, nandyan ka na. Nagawa mo na ang lahat. Tapos na ang review. If you wanna review, parang kung anong silipin mo na lang. Pero, siguro ang payo ko sa inyo ngayong araw is you have to let go and let God do it for you. Kasi kung ginawa mo na yung best mo, ang gagawin mo na lang ngayon is you relax, you pray, okay? You pray. And after nito, 'di ba? Tapos na. Tapos na ang laban. So, pagharap mo sa board examination sa Sunday, all you have to do is, parang feeling of four things. Number one is confidence. You have to be confident. You have to feel that you've done your part. And sabi ko nga, you let go, let God, and yun na. 'Di ba? Confidence. Ikalawa naman is your attitude. Put that attitude in you na LPT na top-notcher na. Huwag ka na mag-fear. We attract what we fear. Tandaan mo yan. And we attract, kung lagi mong iniisip, kung feeling mo hindi ka papasa, hindi ka papasa. But pag inisip mong LPT ka talaga. Di ba? So, yun. Attitude, okay? The third one is relax. Relax, chill. Inhale, exhale. Ayun, hingang malalim, okay? Hingang malalim at isipin mo na God is with you. 'Di ba? Marami ka ng kasama, marami ka ng pinagdaanan, 'di ba? You're not alone. You do it for your family, you do it for your school, you do it for everyone, but always remember that relax and do it for yourself. Kasi pag galing sa labas yung yung factor mo, it becomes pressure. Pero pag nanggaling sa iyo, it becomes motivation. So, focus ka doon. Okay? You relax, hingang malalim. And last is Lord. Okay? Nandiyan si Lord para sa'yo. Carl yon. Okay? Thank you for choosing Carl Balita Review Center. Yes, and sabi ko, confidence, attitude, relax, and Lord. Give it up to Him. Ayun na siya. Naalala ko dati, pagka feeling ko nahihirapan ako, I pray for the question. And yun na. Diba? So again, good luck everyone, and congratulations for being LPTs and top notchers in advance. And this is not the end. Magkikita-kita pa rin tayo ulit, di ba? Pag LPT ka na, tatawagan ka ni Dr. Carl namin. Pagka top-notcher ka na. So, yan lang. Laban-laban lang. And go, go, go. Yes, di ba? Ayan, okay? So, with that, siguro, God bless you all and congratulations everyone. Bye!